If you take off their jewels, they all look like fools. Weighing their diamonds and gold on the scales, burning the woods to build a new skyscraper, building and building to climb up to the sun. He thinks that he rules in a kingdom so great. It's a mad orchestra that he is forced to conduct. He thinks that money would buy him away. Out and away, so they say, any day now. But money is lonely when you count it alone. You can buy company, can you buy truth? You can buy, you can sell and bargain and trade. You can grow a money tree and grow weak in its shade. Late at night on his lonely couch, when he sits down, darkness descends. In the darkness with his damn useless crown, he only wants to be simple